Okay, so this is a human, and you can tell that because of the yellow LED, and it's currently shielded because of the white LED. And over here, this is a zombie, because the orange LED shows that it's a zombie, and the blue one shows that it's a shield. I don't know if you can see that on the video.
It's a normal operation, yeah.
Yeah. So if the human shoots the zombie gets stunned, and you can see that it's currently spinning and doing its stun behavior. Right. So then, if the zombie shoots the human, you should see its shield go away. So the white LED went off, and you hit it again, and now it's a zombie. The LED's turned green. And so now they can't actually shoot each other because they're both zombies. And, yeah.